Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our math video. Let's get started. Please go ahead and take out your math meeting sheet, your November calendar, and your November weather graph. Yesterday, I realized that I didn't ask you for the weather graph, so we'll fill it out today. No worries. No need to fret. So go ahead and take that out. Miss Antenna tries to figure out where her pencil went. We have one right here. Okay, let's get started. Today's date is Today's date is November 10th. Let me share my screen. Not working. Try again. Sometimes it just needs to, there it is. Okay, let's go ahead and begin, boys and girls. Remember how our year blocks stacked. Let's begin. Today's date is November. Oh, my pencil broke. It's okay. November 10th, 2020. There are how many more days until December? Well, let's count. It's the 10th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. There's 21 more days until December. The pattern for today is this. $50, 45, 40, 35. Okay, go ahead and figure out that. Pause if you need more time. I think the pattern, let's see, 50, 45. Okay, so I think it's going down by 5. Let's see, let's try it out again. 45, 40, yep. And then does it go down by 5 again? Yep, so I think that's the pattern. 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10. Okay, money. To the day, I'm going to give you 19 cents, and I want you to tell me how many dimes and how many pennies you need to make 19 cents. Remember, tens and ones. 1 dime and 9 pennies. Okay. The time right now, it's about 10:30. And we will eat lunch today at noon or 12 p.m., 12 post-meridian. And the number sentences for today's number are, it's for the number 8. So 8 plus 3, 8 plus 4, 8 plus 9. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 8 plus 4 equals 12. 8 plus 9 equals 17. Put pause if you need more time. Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. Let's fill out our clock. 12, 6, 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's go on the outside. 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, and 55, 60. Okay, I said it was 10:30. So we're gonna point our big hand to the 30 minutes because it's halfway around the clock. And we're gonna point our little hand to the 10 because we're trying to get the 10, right? So it's 10, 30, ante meridian, A-N. Perfect. Now let's take out our weather graph. We didn't do it yesterday, so or for the last couple of times, so we're a little behind, but that's okay. It's been really cold lately, hasn't it? I'm gonna use orange. It was cold yesterday. November, what was it? Yesterday was November 9th. Today is November 10th. Oh, you guys can't see. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure you write it first and then you color it in. So it's been really cold lately. Our weather changed, didn't it? Yep, it did. Okay. So now that we've colored that, put that away. And let's go ahead and continue with our lesson. Today what we're doing is we're adding by 9. How many of you already know how to add by 9? You're pros at it. How many of you? Okay. Today we're going to learn how to add 9 to a number. So, let's practice by what we know first. So, let's say I have 8 plus 10 equals, whenever we add 10, we just simply take away the 0, so it's 1, 18, right? 6 plus 10 equals 16. 7 plus 10 equals 17. 9 plus 10 equals 19, right? You know that so far, right? Good. Now I changed my mind. I don't want to add by 10. I only want to add 9. So let's see how we'll see that. Let's see, try to see if we can see the pattern. 8 plus 9 equals 6 plus 9 equals 5 plus 9 equals 7 plus 9 equals. Okay. So these answers are almost the same as adding 10, except the answers are always 1 less. So what would be 8 plus 10? 8 plus 10 is 18 minus 1, 17. So all of these answers are almost like if you add 10, but then you take 1 away. So 6 plus 10 is 16 minus 1, 15. a 5, so we're going to put 14. Okay. 7 plus 9 is 16. Okay, so let me show you a different way again. So let's say I have 9 plus 8. So what we're going to do is we don't need to use our fingers. I'm going to show you a trick. 8 plus 10 would be 18, right? And then you would subtract 1, so it's 17. So whenever you see 9 plus a number, we're going to put 1 less than 8, which is what? 7 and a 1. What about 9 plus 7? 1 less than the number, 6 and a 1. What about 9 plus 3? 1 less than the number, 1. Do you see that? Let's try it again. 9 plus 4. 1 less than the number, 5 and a 1. Okay, so it also works. So let's say you're doing 16 plus 9. Okay, so what is 1 less than 6? 1 less than 6 is what? 5 and a 2. And then 1 more. Okay, so let's do it again. 15 plus 9. What's 1 less than 5? 4 plus 1, it's 2. Okay, so we're going to do that the same thing. 0, 9 plus 5. What's 1 less than 9? Sorry, what's 1 less than 5? 4. And then you add 1 over here. So it's 1, 14. You see that? Now that could be a little confusing. So this might just help you. 9 plus 3. What's 10 plus 3? 13. But minus 1 is 12. We always have to minus 1. So 9 plus 4 is, what would it be if it was 10 plus 4? 14. Minus 1, 13. Okay, boys and girls, some of these we just have to practice so that we know them. We'll keep on practicing our math facts, but let's practice this one. 5 plus 9. Okay, what's 1 less than 5? So what number comes before 5? 4. And then we add 1 over here. So 0 plus 1 equals 1. Do it again. 6 plus 9. What's 1 less than 6? 5 plus 1, 15. Okay? Do it again. 7 plus 9. What's 1 less than 7? 6. And then we add 1 to the 0. And so it's 16. Okay, we'll keep on practicing that. I just wanted you guys to kind of see it and so that we can start practicing our nines, okay? God bless you all. Tuitus, Maria.